I'm Batman. Well, dogs, this is where I work. What do you think, dogs?
Look, Major, an acorn. Can we smoke it?
You know, in a way, the burnt prairie says so much by saying so little.
Johnny, you know what David told me? He told me you were adopted.
Adopted? I'm Batman.
That's right. Adopted.
David, am I adopted?
Adopted? Wait, what? Who told you that? What? The Major tell you that? Adopted?
I want the truth. Am I adopted?
Well, that's a really hard question. Luckily, I just realized you're a dog, so I have no idea what you're saying.
I want the truth.
No bueno sprechen Sie Japanese, Johnny.
I'm Batman.
Some water.
Oh boy, I love water. Water is so good. Water, water, water.
I want some water, too. Give me the water, Johnny. Yes.
Don't make me go to rehab. I said no.
I'm Batman. I'm fabulous. Sasquatch! 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 Do you smell that, Major? That is the scent of America.
Hey, Johnny. My leash is longer than yours. Loser.
Say, Johnny, let's have a seat on the bench.
Oh, my stars. Look at the sun. I don't have the strength to carry on.
You boys are gonna have to drag me. Drag me, boys. Whoosh! Whoosh! To the car. Whoosh! Andale! Whoosh! 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 Whoosh!